We're in a red flag zone. We may get pushed out because of the fires. We're not sure.
Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Get the ball, girl. Get the ball. Get the ball, Hope. Get the ball. Ah, good girl. Girl.
Let's go.
You know what time it is, huh? You know it's time to go outside, girl. Let's go. Oh, come on. Come on, Hope. Come on, girl. Come on. Hey, come on, girl. Hope. No. Good morning, guys. Today I decided to do a video bringing you guys outside and letting you guys see exactly where we're staying. We haven't really done that, and we haven't been vlogging too much lately. We've just been kind of busy, with work. I'm going to show you guys around the campground where we are. And I wanted to show you guys the smoke, man. We've been getting a lot of smoke from the fires here in Northern Cali. We're gonna take a little walk. Oh, what are you doing? We're gonna take a little walk, see what that looks like. I don't know if you guys can probably already see all the smoke around me. It's pretty bad. Shouldn't really even be breathing it in. You trying to use the bathroom, girl? Watch out for these foxtails. Watch out for the foxtails, girl. Man, didn't you just use the damn bathroom inside the house? What's going on with you? All right, Hope, this way. So can y'all see that, man? That is crazy. Just look at all this smoke we've been getting from the fires coming, I believe, from the east right now. But it has been intense. We're a little bit worried because we're not sure if it's going to spread this way. We're in a town called Twainhart, which is just outside of Sonora, where Millie has her contract. This campground is a pretty decent size. It's got a lot of full-timers here that are here, year-round. Got to be careful where I go with her because a lot of foxtails. Hope, no. Come from there. We're not gonna go too far into the woods. So as y'all can see, man, the smoke is just intense. So we're here for another month. Millie's contract ends on the 1st of September, and we're deciding whether we're gonna stay here longer, or if we're gonna get out of here, maybe go to Oregon, but we're not sure. So we got a lot of decisions to make. This is like a little trail in the back side of the campground. Don't really walk here too often because there's a lot of foxtails, and it's not good for Hope. We're heading back up. Let me show y'all what these foxtails are. I just learned them. Millie told me about them. And if they get caught inside of her paw, they can get into her system somehow. So that's a little foxtail right there. Isn't that right, Hope? We don't want that in your feet. So we got a lot of decisions to make. What are you doing? So we got a lot of decisions to make within the next couple of days. What we're gonna do as far as taking off or staying in the area for a little longer. But there's just the only thing here that really sucks at this part, guys, there's no internet. No internet whatsoever. We just got a jetpack, a Verizon jetpack, and it's got about 2 bars, and it's really not working at all. It's really hard to get any work online done. Always having to go to Starbucks just to get some Wi-Fi. Hope, you're getting yourself filthy. What are you doing? Come on. Get off the ground. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Stay away from there. All right, we're gonna take a little stroll around this park, guys, just to show you guys a little bit of what it's like. This is a little camping area, tent camping. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna start you guys from the top. Let's go to the top. Let's go to the entrance, and then we'll walk in. All right, guys, so we're walking up to the top, to the entrance. I'm gonna bring you guys up and just show you guys the park. We love it, man. We really like it here. It's quiet. People are friendly. Get to see a lot of deer. That's about it for the wildlife. Like I said, man, the only problem is just the Wi-Fi. You know, there are a lot of hikes and a lot of trails in the area off of the 108 that we get to go out and see. So this is where we are, guys. Where are you going? Trying to chase the cars? Get it, Hope. Get it, get it. Hit the truck. Hit the truck. You got scared. You got scared? Get the cars, get the cars. Scary ass. Anyways, guys, this is where we at. We're off of the 108, Highway 108 in Northern Cali. And this is what our entrance looks like. Currently right now we're smoked out. We ain't gonna be out here too long because smoke ain't healthy. Oh, slow down. This dog's wild, bro. This dog's wild. Come on, girl. You scared of the car. Stop acting like you want to chase him. So we just come down a little hill. Slow house over here. Come on. So when you first enter into the park, to the right they've got a little playground for the kids. All right, so like I said, the campground is really nice, guys, but it's really, the spaces are pretty tight. They've got some 50 amps and 30 amps on this side here. On this side, they've got cabins. I'm gonna pretty much show you this side. This is kind of where we stay. This is where the short-term guests come and stay for a couple of days, a weekend. I'll bring you down to our site. They've got about 10 or 11. They've got about 11 sites. This is a site here. Believe it or not, this is a site right here. We're in site number 9. These are what the sites look like. Like I said, they're pretty close to each other, but we pay $600 a month for everything, so really can't beat that. We're not complaining. This is where we are. We're right next to the restrooms, which is really convenient. Also in the laundry, they have a laundry in here. Come on, girl. Laundry is right on the other side of the restrooms. Also convenient, we just walk our clothes right on over. Up top on that side, that's an entire other side up there. And I might take you guys over on that side for a bit. And you know, they have cabins that people have purchased that actually live here full time. Got some campers on the other side. Let's go this way, Hope. This is kind of just like a raw footage here, guys. Didn't really plan anything out here. So they've got the campsites here for the RVs. They've got some tent sites, and these people actually pulled in last night, which is pretty cool. They have a 4Runner that pulls a, I forgot what you call these things. And back here are the tent sites. How you doing? Yeah, she's getting there. Yeah, French Bulldog. Yeah, she came out like a little piglet. She's got a little mask. Yeah. Her name's Hope.
Hope?
Yeah.
Did you rescue or did you buy her?
No, I purchased her. We bought her in Florida.
Hi, little Hope. She needs to come and say hi.
Yeah, come and say hi, Hope.
Hi, little girl. Hi, little
How are you guys? This is really neat, man, what you guys got here.
Thanks.
We're good.
Hi, little girl. Hi, little girl. She's a puppy still, huh?
Yeah, she's 7 months.
Yeah, you can tell.
like-
The
Yeah.
energy is all there.
Oh, her energy is up there. It's gonna slow down though.
Yeah, they get kind of lethargic.
And they just lay out and sleep.
Lay on the couch.
Exactly.
They're
Take
the
it
same
easy.
age.
Oh yeah? He's 7 months?
Yeah.
Nice.
That's funny.
That's usually what happens in the morning. It's really like thick and you know, I
It
shouldn't.
just settles down.
Yeah. Later on in the day it kinda like
Heat
just cools
kind of
off.
Blows it out.
Exactly.
Are you from around here?
No, we're from Florida originally.
Really?
Yeah.
You come out to do how'd you end up in Twainhart? I
Well,
get if you were trying to do Yosemite, but I guess
yeah,
that
well,
was-
we did Yosemite for 2 weeks back in April. We actually full-time in our RV.
Oh,
Oh,
cool.
nice.
Yeah, so we my wife does contracts and I work online. She's a travel therapist, occupational therapist.
Nice.
So she's working down in Sonora.
How cool.
Well, we met a lot of. We just
We
took
met a lot of
thr-
people like
We
that.
took a
Oh,
2.5 week trip in this up to like Glacier and Yellowstone and stuff.
Oh, nice.
Met a lot of RVers. That
A
are
lot
like,
of people
Yeah.
do this. Like, it's a lifestyle.
Yeah, it is. We decided to do it for a couple of years. You know, we didn't have any kids yet. It was either do that or buy a house.
Yeah.
We said
I
we'll
say
travel
do it.
around.
Yeah, why
and
not?
then they'll settle down.
Well, you can, and then
Yeah.
once you have mortgages and stuff, it just becomes like
A lot more difficult.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then maybe if you don't want to be necessarily in Florida, you maybe find
Exactly.
somewhere you like better.
Yeah, that's one of the other reasons. Like, I don't think we want
You
to
explore the country a little bit.
Yeah.
We're
You know-
trying to explore, like, to buy some property somewhere outside of California, so when we retire, we can kind of
Nice.
figure out where we want to be. What,
Yeah.
you know.
That's the way to do it.
But this is
California
neat. This is our
is
little
expensive.
getaway mobile. We just
I mean, that's pretty neat. You can take it almost anywhere.
it's got air conditioning.
Yeah.
Furnace.
I've seen stuff like that. I'm
Yeah.
telling my wife, hey, babe, let's downsize. She's like, oh, we couldn't live in that.
It's
That's
pretty
just
nice.
like you take a weekend trips or
No,
a week
this
trip.
is camping. This
Camping.
isn't our.
Yeah, not
if
full
you guys
time.
are full time.
Yeah,
Full
nah.
time.
I
No,
want
you
the
need-
full big
Exactly.
monster or whatever. I want
Like the
all
big
of it.
Class A, the
Yeah,
bus.
I want
Yeah.
all of it. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's even tough. We have a 35-foot travel trailer and it's tight. It's definitely a downgrade, but
Yeah.
it's worth the travels and seeing the country. And
Is it kind of nice getting rid of all your stuff though? I mean, I don't know.
it is. It's a relief.
Yeah.
You know, you get to realize like, man, I didn't need all this stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, over time you accumulate all these things and don't really need them.
What do you think of the dog?
Well, even just living in this, just doing daily stuff, like, what do you actually need? How many
Exactly.
cups do you need? How many, you don't only
too
need a
many.
couple.
Exactly. The only hard thing about it, like for us now, we're deciding, okay, where are we gonna go? What do we do next? It's kind of,
Right. You're kind of
it brings, it kind of brings a little instability. You got to get used to.
well, but enjoy
That would be
it.
hard.
Yeah.
Enjoy it while you're doing it. Don't stress over it.
Yeah,
You know
we're
what I
trying not to stress about it. Like we have another month here. We're deciding whether we stay or where do we go
Go
next.
to the
Or
beach.
yeah, right. Where are you guys originally from? Which part of California?
Santa Rosa.
Yeah,
So,
Northern California.
wine
Okay, yeah.
country.
So that's where we started. We started in Cloverdale,
Oh,
which
you
is
did?
just a bit north of Santa Rosa.
Yeah.
Her contract was in Santa Rosa, and then we stayed at the fairgrounds for a little while,
Yeah.
right there in Santa Rosa,
Right on.
and then we came here.
Cool.
Nice to meet you guys, man. Have a good one. You okay? I'm Tim.
Tim, Eric.
Eric, nice to meet you guys. How long you guys here?
Just for a weekend.
Weekend? Okay.
Her family's up. They rented houses. We're like, we're living in this.
Hey, well, it's a totally different experience, man. Yeah,
Spend $30 a night.
exactly. Hey, well, good to meet you guys, man. Enjoy the stay. That's what we love about this, guys. So many friendly people around. Everyone is kind of doing their thing and experiencing their own adventures in their own way. You know, they've got a little, I forgot what you call those things, man, but they're pretty cool. So this is the tent area. It gets really dark at night. Come out here, camp out for the weekend in your tents, enjoy the nature. But it's cool, man. We experience like, the feel out here in the woods, and it's like nature. We like these type of campgrounds. So we're gonna get up here from the tent area and come back to the other side of where they have a few more campgrounds, a few more campsites. And it actually got full. It's usually pretty dead here. There's usually not a lot of people here. It gets kind of busy on the weekend. So we're up at the 108. There's a lot of lakes, and there's a little town called Pinecrest. People bring their boats and they go camp, dry camping. This is site number 1. I believe all of these is Dirty Amp. How you doing? Good. Come on, Nosy. She smells food. Come on. It's a pretty decent campground, guys. This guy, they just came in. And they're here for a year. I'm like, yo, how do y'all do this for a year, bro? Like, ain't nothing much to do around here. Yeah, hiking is cool, but you only hike for so long. So it's a family-owned campground, and the owner lives right there in that cabin. It's camp life. This is the general store. This is the general store where you come and pay your rent and you buy your essentials. This is cool. I saw this. I'm like, yo, we want that. We want that. So what's up, Robin? This is Robin, guys. She just walked out. This is so far one of our favorite camp hosts.
Aww,
She's been super nice. She's awesome, man.
Yes, I know.
What are you doing, Hope? Oh my gosh. Yeah, she shed so much hair. I'm sorry.
It's okay, I have a dog. So, yeah, that's good. I mean, you might as well do it now.
Yeah.
It's so expensive anymore. Well, here in California, it's super expensive. Like, ridiculously.
It is.
Like, somebody told me yesterday that in the Bay Area, if you make $400,000 a year, you're considered low income.
That's insane. This pretty much is the other side of the campground. They've got a few sites up top. Probably just bring you guys up to about where the pool is. They've got a pool. Look at that smoke. So this is the pool. Check it out, Hope. Check out the pool, girl. So further down, goes all the way around, and they got a lot more RVs over there. Oh, come on. We're out of here. They have a dump station right on your way out. Apparently they got some fires that are not too far. So we are currently in a red flag zone, I guess. These are some closer fires that just started last night. Hey, time to go home. Come on. Come on. Got a little basketball court. It's our friendly neighbor, Bob. Bob's cool. So this is our home for now, guys. We will be here for, I'm hoping another month. They want me to extend her contract, but I'm like, bruh, I'm ready to go. This internet thing is just, can't do it, man. I can't do it for much longer. Right now the Wi-Fi is working, so I can go inside and get some work done. But it's spotty, man. It's in and out. Look at that. It looks like it's gone. Looks like it's gone, bro. Bruh. Anyways. Yeah, man, this is where we're at. Like I said, you know, I just spoke to Robin. She was saying that they had some fires just up on the 108 and they evacuated some people. We were wondering what all the noise was last night. You know, a lot of people came in late because they had to leave because of the fire that started. So we're in a red flag zone, or it's a red flag in this area right now. We have to kind of see what's going to happen, see if we're going to leave or see if we're going to stay or what's going to happen. We may get pushed out because of the fires. We're not sure. We're going to get back to vlogging a lot more, guys. Get things back, you know, rolling. We've just been figuring out a lot of things. We got some changes that may be coming. We'll tell you guys all about it. Just about where we want to take things, what we want to do with our channel, and, you know, make sure we're going in the right direction with the content that we bring to you guys. So that's kind of why we haven't been posting much. Just been kind of tweaking and figuring things out as far as where we want to just go with this entire lifestyle. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe for more videos and hit that notification bell to never miss content we put out. As you can see, Hope's tired. I gotta get to work. See y'all in the next video. Peace.